Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to present someone in a formal situation. You see here there are three persons in this picture. This person is introducing this lady to this person. So he says, Je vous présente Florence du Sapin, notre nouvelle responsable de marketing. How do you say? Je vous présente Florence du Sapin, notre nouvelle responsable de marketing. In response, this person says, Bonjour madame, enchantée. Then the lady says, Enchantée monsieur. So, you saw in a formal situation how the French people introduce someone. Now let us go to an informal situation. Here, look at this picture. There are also three persons. Okay, her name is Emily, and one friend is presenting a friend to another friend. So say, he says, Nicolas, je te présente ma copine Émilie. And he says, Bonjour Émilie, and she says, Bonjour Nicolas. Once again, Nicolas, je te présente ma copine Émilie. Bonjour Émilie. Bonjour Nicolas. So, in a different way, the presentation goes like this. Nicolas, est-ce que tu connais ma copine Émilie? Non, pas encore. Bonjour Émilie. Bonjour Nicolas. So once again, you can repeat after me. Nicolas, est-ce que tu connais ma copine Émilie? Nicolas, est-ce que tu connais ma copine Émilie? Non, pas encore. Bonjour Émilie. Bonjour Nicolas. So you see here the meaning. So this connaît, it comes from this verb, connaître, to know. Ma copine means my friend. Est-ce que tu connais ma copine? Do you know my friend? So you can ask the question by saying, est-ce que tu connais ma copine? So est-ce que is used to ask a question. Est-ce que tu connais ma copine? Do you know my friend? Pas encore. That means not yet. Pas encore. You can repeat after me. Pas encore. Okay, that's all for today. Let me give you some homework now. Merci, au revoir.